Today, I'm going to be giving you a closer look at this exercise ball from Anfly. This is Mere Product Reviews. This yoga ball comes along with a pump. You simply use one end that you place a nozzle on. That's going to be what goes into your ball. And the other end goes onto the pump itself. The blue side is for inflation. And then the red side is for deflation. We'll pull the air out with the pump. I've got my ball plug handy because I'm going to start to blow this up. Now, I must say that when it comes to the yoga balls in my studio, I much prefer to blow up with an electric pump or with a bike pump. It prevents me from sitting here for a while and doing this, but it is nice when yoga balls come with a pump. The pump that this ball comes with is actually pretty common. I went and checked on my other pumps that have come with previous yoga balls, and they were exactly the same. You can see another one sitting on the floor right here. It takes so much less time to put a little bit of air in your ball than it does to blow up from the very beginning. Finally, I'm fully inflated. This is the large size. This also comes in medium and extra large. This ball comes with the handy dandy plug removal tool, which makes it really easy to grip underneath when it's in the ball and pull it out. You want to hang on to that tool. I've been using this particular ball for over a month for my own personal use and within my studio, and I haven't had to refill it yet, so it seems to be holding air well. These large stability balls have so many uses. They're great for doing back bends, stretching out your back, loosening up your hips. They can be an awesome option for modifications for use in core work and stability while pregnant. And you could use this as an aid and a tool in virtually any exercise. I use yoga balls for use in my barre classes as well as my Pilates classes. In fact, I've got a workout video that I just posted using this ball from Anfly on my Benny Barre Pilates Studio YouTube channel. So if you're needing some exercise ideas, go check it out. Large stability balls like this one are such great tools to have. They're so versatile in all your exercises. It's an at-home piece of equipment that's inexpensive and easy to store away. You can even completely deflate to put away. I'm always using mine, so I never do. You can use it as a chair substitute to challenge your core while you're sitting at your desk. I got mine on Amazon, and as usual, you can find the product link for this in my write-up below. This is an affiliate link, so if you happen to buy this using that link, then you'd be supporting my channel. This comes in 3 color options: black, blue, and purple. And you also have 3 size options as well. medium, large, which I'm showing here, and extra large. You can find links here for my On the Ball Pilates workout video, as well as my Pilates and Barre channel. I hope that you found this video to be helpful. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more product reviews just like this one. And check out my links in the write-up below for more fitness products as well as more products from Anfly.